Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this LIGE military smartwatch for man. We can answer and we can make call with this smartwatch. It means here, this is the next gen smartwatch you can wear on your body easily. With a 1.39 inches HD rugged smartwatch with over 110 plus sports modes. And we have a 400 mAh battery which is built in and can be recharged easily. 5 atmosphere waterproof means you can use it as a fitness watch with heart rate, sleep monitor, and it's for iOS and Android smartphones. Ooh, that's a really tactical cool watch, and it's the BW18466A. Military grade standard and quality, here it comes. This smartwatch for man features a large 1.39-inch circular screen and an aluminium metal dial. The smartwatch is characterized by its durability, being scratch-resistant, dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof, with an extended battery life. The fitness watch supports multiple languages, thus making it a rugged and reliable companion we can always trust. And Bluetooth calls and smart notifications are possible. This military smartwatch here boosts an outstanding Bluetooth share, enabling it not only to make and receive calls, but also to play music from compatible smartphones. The smartwatch is capable of receiving notifications from the application like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and so on, ensuring us to stay in the loop for important calls or messages. This makes scenarios in daily life where carrying a phone may be inconvenient, such as streamlined and intelligent too. Of course, you have your smartphone in your pocket, for example, or your backpack or something else, because we need the smartphone for operating with Bluetooth calls with the watch. But you can use the watch itself without your smartphone, of course. But these additional parts, like Bluetooth calls or notifications and so on, for this you will need the smartphone nearly. We have an outstanding fitness companion here. This man's smartwatch supports over 100 outdoor sports modes, ranging from walking and running to cycling and basketball, catering to our daily exercise needs. The Smartwatch for man accurately records exercise duration, heart rate, calories burned, steps, and the distance, while also offering professional analytics to enhance our fitness and daily habits. And all-around health tracking device here. The Android smartwatch or the Apple smartwatch, or what you like to dock it with, is for us, and it suffers 24/7 heart rate monitoring and features a 3D convex body and an optical sensor on the back for a snug fit to our skin, capable of detecting our blood oxygen and blood pressure through the Fit Cloud app, which you will need to pair the devices each other, your smartphone and the app, and the smartwatch. FITCLOUDPRO. This app you will need. It's for free. You will create an account, it's for free. And with that, we can view sleep data analytics. At night, the blood pressure watch will automatically detect our sleep status, recording the deep sleep, the light sleep, and the wake up time. This is helping us cultivate healthy sleep habits. And here it comes, extended battery life. This waterproof watch is powered by a 300 mAh battery. A full charge, the smartwatch, can operate normally for up to 7 days and stay on standby for 30 days. Of course, if you're a heavy user, maybe it's not 7 days. It is up to you how much you use this, and then you have to reload it. It only takes 2 hours for a complete recharge. We say goodbye to daily charging. Actual usage time may vary depending on user patterns, of course, and the recharge thread is really easy. We will need a USB source. That means you can use your computer, your laptop, your notebook, your power bank, or USB socket, and something else, or your SC adapter from your smartphone to dock the USB cable into it, and the other side comes with a magnetic connection. And this connection is really easy, and it connects automatically onto the watch. After this, it will reload automatically. This rugged smartwatch also offers various lifestyle features, such as the weather forecast, a music player, a stopwatch, and of course, alarm clock. In addition, the LIGE smartwatch for us is designed to withstand hand washing and light rain during jogging. Touch the pedometer watch does not support activities like swimming, diving, or showering sauna sessions. This is to ensure it does not affect call quality. And it's a wide compatibility smartwatch. The smartwatch is compatible with Android 4.4 and above, and iOS 8.0 versions or above of our phones. It boasts a high-definition full-touch color screen for exceptional clarity, and with over 200 customizable watch faces through the Fit Cloud app, and the option to personalize the watch face, it combines style and adaptation. The outer smartwatch also comes with 2 straps. This comes with a classic stainless steel one and a skin-friendly silicone one, letting us choose the right for any occasions. And this smartwatch looks not only cool, it is cool. Because we have here the military style LIGE smartwatch. At LIGE, they strongly believe that everyone deserves a better life. Therefore, the goal is to serve everyone by offering a range of stylish and portable budget-friendly watch items. The user-centric philosophy runs through the blood of LIGE, and through the research and development, design, manufacturing, sales, and marketing. Since 2011, they have served more than 10 million homes worldwide and have become one of the most popular online sellers of watches. We have a long battery outdoor smartwatch here, military quality, escort or extreme adventure. 400 mAh battery, power saving mode, one-touch Bluetooth, split screen, 2 watch straps, screen on time. It's possible to edit, for example, 30 seconds. And then we have a full, nice device to make sports, to make a good looking watch on our arm, and so on. This is the LIGE military smartwatch for men, which can answer and make calls using Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.